Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Lab 11.3.7 and we are going to configure TCP IP settings in Windows 10. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. The Marketing 6 computer needs to connect to the local network and internet using a static IP address. Marketing 6 also needs to connect to a testing network using a static IP address. The testing network will be set up at a later time. You have already installed the second network. So in this lab, the task is to configure the IP version 4 TCP IP settings for both network adapters using the settings below. And okay, so I guess we start up right away. We go to the start menu, and under the start menu we want to, let's see, so because we are going to be working in the TCP IP, we go to settings, and under settings you want to locate network and internet. And in network and internet you want to go to change adapter options. Then we go to Ethernet. So right click on this and scroll down to properties. And under properties you want to go to Ethernet protocol version 4. So we go to properties and we're going to use let's bring this here. Okay, so we use the following settings. So it's going to be 192.168.0.254. Oops, there's a mistake. So we'll go ahead and enter the default IP address, which is 192.168.0.5. So we'll go ahead and We go ahead and let's see. So for the preferred DNS server is going to be 168.78.93. And for the alternate DNS server is going to be 168.128.80.93. So go ahead and click OK. So go ahead and close. So we'll go to Ethernet 2, we'll go to Properties, and we want to locate TCP IP version 4. So we're going to use the following IP address. That'll be 192. Oops, there's a mistake. Let's bring this here so I can see clearly. So that will be 10.0.255.254. And the subnet mask, for the subnet mask, is going to be 255. The 255, the 0.0, so go ahead and click OK, and we close. And let's check our answers. Everything is correct. We'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Consider joining my professional membership for extra and tips and availability to other videos that are not available here. And you can reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.